Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a poem that is Dad and the Cat and the Tree. It is written by Kit Wright. So, before we read the poem, let us know about the poet. Kit Wright was born on June 17, 1944. He is the poet and children's author. He is the author of more than 25 books. This is very interesting and humorous poem. In this poem, the poet talks about a cat which climbed a tree too high and got stuck there. So let us read the poem and find out who comes its rescue. This morning, a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, "Right, just leave it to me." So here, this morning refers to one fine morning. So one fine morning, what happened? A cat got stuck in our tree. In our tree refers to the poet's house. There was a tree and that cat got stuck up. Dad said, so poet's father, he said, "Right, just leave it to me." So poet's father, it is Dad, he said that, "Leave it to me. I will take care of it." Or Dad assures that he would easily bring the cat down. The tree was wobbly. The tree was tall. Wobbly means unsteady. Mom said, "For goodness sake, don't fall." Fall, scoffed Dad. Scoffed means laughed. "A climber like me? Child's play this is. You wait and see." Child's play means very easy to do. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. "Never mind," said Dad. Never mind means it doesn't matter. Brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. "We will try plan B. Stand out of the way." Mom said, "Don't fall again, okay?" "Fall again?" said Dad. "Funny job." Then he swung himself upon a branch. It broke. Dad landed wall up. It means fell heavily. "Back on the deck, back on the floor." Mom said, "Stop it, you will break your neck." "Rubbish," said Dad. "Now we will try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me." Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. Crook, the place where something bends inwards. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as punch to be, very pleased to be, safe and sound. So is smiling and smirking, smug as can be. Smug means too satisfied, but poor old Dad's still stuck up the tree. Now let's see the explanation of the poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree by Kit Wright. This is a funny poem about a man's attempt to rescue a cat that is stuck on a tree. One day, a cat climbed a tree in a garden and couldn't come down. The child's father considered himself to be an expert climber and offered to rescue the cat. But the child's mother was worried her husband would fall off while climbing the tree. The child's father tried climbing up a ladder, but the ladder slipped and he fell into the flower bed. But he didn't give up and assured his wife he would successfully climb the tree using plan B. Then he jumped onto a branch, but the branch broke and he fell again. He got up and dusted himself off and decided to use plan C. He climbed onto the garden wall and jumped onto a fork in the tree trunk. He landed on the cat. The cat jumped to the ground. The cat came down, but the dart was stuck on the tree. Now let us know about the poetic devices. So first we will know about the rhyme scheme. So in the first stanza, the last word of the first line, that is God. And second line, tree. Third line, it is just. And fourth line, it is me. So here, God, the last word of the first line. Does it rhyme with tree? God, tree. No. So we will give it alphabet A. Then tree. We will give it alphabet B. Then last word of the third line. Just. Just God. Yes, it rhymes with first word God. So we will give it A. Then me. Me rhymes with tree. So the rhyme scheme of the first stanza is AB, AB. Okay, now let us know about the rhyme scheme of the next stanza. Wobbly, tall, goodness, fall. These are the last words. So, wobbly doesn't rhyme with tall. Goodness also. Wobbly, we will give it alphabet A. Then tall, we will give it alphabet B. Goodness doesn't rhyme with the first word wobbly or the second word tall. So we will give it alphabet C. Then fall. It rhymes with tall. So we will give alphabet B. So the rhyme scheme is A, B, C, B. Okay. The rest of the whole poem is in this particular rhyme scheme, that is A, B, C, B. I hope it's clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you.